When I was 16, stuck behind a computer during quarantine, I saw these travel filmmakers on YouTube. They were diving into these crazy places underwater, filming underwater shots and living a life that felt so far away from mine. In that moment, I knew I wanted that too. Scuba diving became a dream I carried with me for years. Leading up to the trip, I was so excited. I'd been waiting for this moment for years. But a few days before, things took a turn. I started feeling sick, probably from the street food I tried in the Philippines. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to push through, but this was a dream I couldn't let go of. Planning for this trip, I wasn't looking for anything fancy, just a good place to get certified without breaking the bank. Lawal checked all the boxes. It was affordable, it had great reviews, and home to something I'd always wanted to see, the famous sardine run. When we started setting up the gear, I could feel the excitement building. This was it, the first real step towards my dream of scuba diving. We strapped on our packs, and before heading to the ocean, we began with pool training. Even in that controlled environment, it already felt like the start of something incredible. When we finally got into the ocean, I remember sinking beneath the surface and seeing the coral reefs and the fish all around me. It was incredible. Like stepping into another world. I'd done free diving before in Fiji and Hawaii, but this was different. This time, I didn't have to come up for air. I could just stay down and truly experience it all. On day 2, I was walking to the dive shop. I saw an ambulance carrying someone away. It was a dive-related incident. Though I never found out exactly what happened, it was a sobering moment. One that made me realize how real and serious this activity can be. It also made me appreciate the course even more, knowing how important it is to learn and do things the right way. There was this one dive where everything just clicked. The dive master pointed to the reef, and when I looked, I saw it. A massive turtle, swimming out of a cave. Through this experience, I learned that there's so much beauty in the world, beyond just what's on the surface. Scuba diving showed me that even when something feels difficult, the only way to get better is to keep practicing and push through. It also reminded me not to take life too seriously, to enjoy the moment and let go. This experience gave me a new appreciation for diving and the underwater world. It's not just a skill, it's a way to connect with nature and capture its beauty in a way I've never done before. I know this is just the beginning. I want to keep diving, keep learning, and take my underwater videography to the next level. If there's one thing I tell anyone who wants to go diving, or chasing any dream, just do it. In the long run, it will be one of those amazing memories you look back on. It will be a story you tell over and over. Maybe even to your grandkids someday.